Today we are doing chapter 3 of maths, which is mean, median, mode or data handling. The first topic of this chapter is mean. Then what is the mean? The mean is the average of a data set. Means whenever there is a data of numbers, then we will find the average, and this average of the data is known as mean. The mean we can found by dividing all the numbers, by dividing the sum of all the numbers, and then divided by the number of values, then we will get mean of the data. Means all the data, first of all we have to add up and then divide the sum by the number of observations. This is the formula of mean, sum of the terms upon number of terms. Means first of all you will find the sum of the terms and then divide it by the number of terms, then you will find the mean. It is median, the middle number of the data when arranged in ascending or descending order is called median. When we arrange the data in ascending or descending, means any in one order, if in ascending order or descending order, means हमको डाटा को एक ही ऑर्डर में लिखना है, चाहे ascending order में लिखें चाहे descending order में लिखें. After writing the data in ascending or descending order, whatever the middle number is there, that is called median of that data. There are two formulas of median. Here you can see number 1, n plus 1. Median is equal to n plus 1 1th term when n is odd. N is the number of observations or number of terms. If number of terms is odd, then we will apply formula median equal n plus 1 upon 2th term. Or if median is, if the number of terms is even, means for example there are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 terms, then it is even, then we will apply formula n upon 2th term plus n upon 2 plus 1th term upon 2. Then we will find mode. What is mode? The most occurring number in the data is called mode. मतलब जो नंबर सबसे ज़्यादा बार किसी भी डाटा में आता है तो उसको हम मोड कहते हैं. There can be no mode also or there can more than one mode also. कि हो सकता है किसी डाटा में मोड ना दिया हो या फिर सारे वहाँ पे 2 से ज़्यादा मोड हो या 1 से ज़्यादा मोड हो. Both conditions are possible. In this example you can see 3, 5, 6, 8, 3, 4, 6, 5, 5, 4, 5, 5. Now here you can see the most occurring digit is 5. In this data the most occurring number और most frequent number is 5. इसमें आप देख सकते हैं कि 5 जो है वो कई बार आया है. So in the above data 5 is the most occurring number, then 5 is the mode of the given data. Now the fourth topic is range. Now range is the difference of the highest value and the lowest value of the data. तो जो भी डिफरेंस होगा हाईएस्ट एंड लोएस्ट वैल्यू का उसको हम रेंज कहेंगे. रेंज इज इक्वल टू हाईएस्ट वैल्यू माइनस लोएस्ट वैल्यू. नाउ वी विल डू एक्सरसाइज 3.1 as we know about mean, median, mode and range. These are the 4 topics that you have to find in this exercise 3.1. In question number 1, here you can see 3.1 exercise is this. Question number 1, find the range of heights of any 10 students of your class. In this, first of all, we will write the name of any 10 students of our class, and then we will write the heights of these students, and then we will find the range by applying the formula highest value minus lowest value. Then we will get answer of question number 1. In this, first of all, 3.1, question number 1, as we have studied, first of all make a table of the students, number of students. So we will make name of student one side and then other side we have to write height in centimeter. Here make a table of 10 students. Like we can write any name, Ramesh, Suresh, Reena, Rita, any 10 names we can write. Kamal, Hena, Meena, Sunita. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8. Then here Tanu, Harish. Now here you can see 10 names are there. Now we will write the height in centimeter. This is 151, 140, 133, 125, 147, 158, 160, 153, 126 and 128. Now this is the list of the students of the class having different heights you can make, and then here we have to find range. This is the table. Now you will find the range. So range is equal to highest, formula is highest value minus lowest value. Then we will write lowest value. So highest value is, here you can see highest is 160 and lowest is 125. So highest is 160 and 125 is the lowest. When you subtract, then you will get 35, which is the range of the data. Now you can see question number 2. Organize the following marks in the classroom assessment in a tabular form. First of all, we have to make a table for this. 4, 6, 7, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 2, 6, 2, 5, 1, 9, 6, 5, 8, 4, 6, 7. For making the tabular form, first of all, we have to use tally marks also. We can make tally marks, or otherwise we can write the number directly as you can count it properly. If there are many numbers, then we can use tally marks. In question number 1, which number is the highest, which number is the lowest, what is the range of the data, and find the arithmetic mean. So this we will find. Now question number 2, you can see this table we have to make. These are the, we can write here, it will be X, this is tally marks, or this is frequency F, how many tally marks should be there. Now you can see first number is 4. This is 4. Then we will cut 4 and make one tally mark here. Then it is 6. Then make 2, not 2, only 1, because it is 6, 1, 6. Then make 1 mark here. Then 7, make one mark here also. Then 5, then make 1 arc. Then 3, then make 1 arc on 3. Then 5, make 1 arc on 5. Then 4, then again 5, 1 mark more on 5. Then 2, then 6, then 2, then 5, then 1, 9, 6. You can see here 5, 1 more, so we will cut it like in this way. This is the group of 5. Now 8, 4, 6, 7. Now write how many. This is 1, so frequency is 1. Then 2 is 2, 3 is also 1, 4 is 3, 5 is 5, 6 are 4, 7 are 2, 8 is 1, 9 is also 1. Now which is the highest value in this first part? 9 is the highest. Which is the lowest? 1 is the lowest. What is the range? Range means highest minus lowest. 9 minus 1, 8. Now we will find mean by adding all the numbers. Here 4 plus 6 plus 7 plus 5 plus 3 plus 5, 4, 5, 2, 6, 2, 5, 1, 9, 6. Now here you can see in fourth part we have to find mean. Mean is equal to sum of data upon number of data. Now here you can see finding the sum of data. These all numbers we have to add, and after adding this we will get 100, and after counting how many these numbers are 20, and then we will divide it by 20, cut 0 by 0 and 2 5s are. So here mean is 5. Now you can see question number 3, find the mean of the first 5 whole numbers. So here we have to find the mean of first 5 whole numbers. The whole numbers are the numbers starting from 0 and all the natural numbers. The whole numbers are 0 and all the natural numbers like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It starts from 0. Then we have to find mean of first 5 whole numbers. In question 3 we are finding the mean of first 5 whole numbers. The first 5 whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So for finding mean, what you have to do? Add all the numbers. And how many these numbers are? 5. So 0 plus 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 6, 4, 10. So 10 divided by 5, our answer is 2. Hence mean is 2 here. Now this is question number 4. A cricketer scored the following runs in 8 innings: 58, 76, 40, 35, 46, 45, 0 and 100. Find the mean score. So here we will apply the formula of mean to find question number 4. Now these are the score of the cricketer. We have to find mean score. So here we will write mean score formula: total score upon number of matches. Now here you can see, first of all we will add these numbers and then number of matches: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 matches. Now we will add these numbers. First of all ones: 8 and 6 14, 5 19, 19 6 25, 30. 30 का 0, 3 carry, 3 5 8, 8 7 15, 4 19, 22, 22 or 4 26, 30. So 30 0 carry and 3 will be here because only this, then 4. 400 is the total. Now we will cut it by 8. What we got? 50. So mean score of the cricketer is 50.